¿Eh? Sí. Ni pa' qué llevárselo a Tijuana ese. No la hace. Ni para la entrada a los topes. ¿No tienes idea para dónde va este?
¿Ah?
¿No tienes idea para dónde va?
Esa cita.
¿Cita?
Sí.
¡Ay, güey! ¡Ay, güey! ¡Ay, güey!
Detects the vehicle is started. Start recording.
This thing is so whack, dude.
Good luck lifting it.
Alignment rack, son. Hey, Josh. I'm gonna be at the alignment rack. I'm gonna take this shit to the alignment rack. You think so? Look at the little side skirt gate shit that it has on there. Yeah? Alright. Dude, this thing's not even stick, dude. That's what I said. Straighten out more? Okay. Oh shit, I went too forward? Alright. What's that? Oh, we got it.
But what if it drops down and gets high center? We're about to find out.
We're about to find out.
Go, you only have liver more left. Yeah, you may as well. These air splitters allow it to do 200 miles an hour. Now you're good.
Hey, you know what's the best part about this?
How are you going to get the wedges
Dude, this thing's not even stuck.
It's what?
It's not stuck.
Yeah, right.
Nah,
Dude, no way.
He wouldn't be
There's
able
no
to
way
drive
you
that.
could, yeah.
Fuck no, dude. If my car looks like shit,
There's no way
imagine.
you could cross the border this low.
Fuck
Yeah.
no, dude. No, just on the
Those
bumps.
gnarly
The
bumps.
yeah, those gnarly
Yeah.
bumps. And on the way back too. It's fucking.
I think on the way here they're worse.
That's a pretty sick sun system.
I mean, unless this thing's on, like we were just saying, like on bags. Does it have
Should be on
switches?
bags for when they drive it, and then when you leave it, you can
Yeah.
sink it.
Bench will still be able to grab it.
Detects the vehicle is started. Start recording.
I did it, Joe! Gay! Fuck no, dude.